how to install LibreOffice in Windows 10. LibreOffice is an open source software, open source writing software. It is alternate to Microsoft MS Office. And one more thing, it is not a licensed software. It is an open source software, and it is free to use for commercial, schools, and any other documentations, offices, and all. So now I'll show you how to download. I went to open LibreOffice.org, where we can get open source office suite. So now I'll show you how to download. You can see here in the click on download. You can see here download LibreOffice. Business users click here. LibreOffice for Android also we can download. Even iOS also we can download. But I'll show you how to download for Windows systems. Now I went here. You can see you have to select the operating. Latest version is LibreOffice 7.0.0 and older version is LibreOffice 6.4.6. Okay, 7.0 is having all the features, new features. Okay, in 6.4 the slightly older and does not have the latest features. So we'll go for here. You have to choose the operating system according to your requirement. If you are using a Linux, you can use Linux or Mac, Windows, and operating bit version also is there, 32-bit, 64-bit. Okay, RPM, deb. Okay, these are the extensions. Mac OS for 64-bit. Okay, now I am using a Windows 10 64-bit OS, so I download 64-bit version. After selecting operating system, just click on a download. It will take you to download link. Here you can see here it is a download link. Okay, we can donate also because it is open source. If you are willing to donate the LibreOffice, you can donate also. Okay, so I'll go to download now. Okay, it is, you can see here 2.1 bit torrent information is there, so I don't want to do all those things. In shortly, please click the link does not start. I'll click on also download from mirror list. Here you can see many paths they given mirrors of LibreOffice, Windows and LibreOffice. Okay, and go back. Okay. So what I'll do directly download the LibreOffice. Okay, it is opening in, you can see here mirror image. It is for Windows 86 64, but it supports both, so I'll download this. Okay, LibreOffice 7.0.0 Windows 64-bit MSI. So I don't want to waste your time. I already downloaded the software, so just I'll go and open the .msi file and start installing. Okay, it is looking for a space. Click next. Typical and custom. Typical means it will install default components including user interface language. You can choose also whichever you want. I'll show you custom, so it will come. So we can choose here as same as it is how you install in MS Word. Okay, same it is, but what I'll do, I'll go for typical. So install default thing. Okay, you can choose load LibreOffice during a system startup also, but I don't want to choose that. Just I'll install the default settings. I don't want it to start on startup because it will take a load on system booting and it will make your system slow to boot. You should not keep many things on startups. So let it install, we'll see. You see, please wait for installation without installation LibreOffice. This may take several minutes. Okay, take some time to install it. Once it starts, it will take very quickly. Now it started the installation. Once installation done, we'll run the program. It's updating the component registration. It's totally open source. It is free to use, free licensing. Either if we go for a Microsoft, you have to purchase license and all. It's a very strong open source application. New features they added, we can save to PDF also, you can export to PDF also. It supports Windows Office files also. Let it copy the new files. I am pausing intentionally in between because it is taking too long time to install, download. So I don't want to waste your time with otherwise it will become a big video. So at the it came to end now. Okay, done. Now we installed wizard, has successfully installed LibreOffice. Click finish to exit the wizard. So now I'll try to open LibreOffice. For that I'll go to start. Go to LibreOffice. You can see now. Okay. So here you can select individual app also, or you can use uh, directly LibreOffice. There you can select different type and you can go directly to the different type. There are two options you can see here. One is safe mode. So LibreOffice is not supporting normal opening. Then you can go for a safe mode and check what is the errors and you can remove it and reopen it. So now I'll open LibreOffice. You can see it is loading the document foundation. It is LibreOffice document foundation. This is how it looks in LibreOffice. It's very cool and very attractive compared to MS Office package. Contains so many things: a document, spreadsheet, presentations, drawing, math means you can use formulas here, and database. These are some default templates, we can use it. And here it is recent file which you saved, and you can save in a remote file also and open files. which already saved, which you created already and saved. So this is a file menu. You can go from here also. You can see so many options are available here. XML document, XML labels, business cards, master document, templates. Okay, and these are the basic things. So now what I'll do, just I'll open a Word document. It is called a writer. You can see here it's very wonderful graphics and having much more options come, and it's everything is open. You can easily see all the tools are visible easily compared to MS Office. You can see this wonderful design. Okay, help you to change the fonts. Okay, so you can select it and make it bold, italic. See the highlights of the toolbars are very big compared to MS Office. And one more option is there, export option. Export as PDF. Okay, you can export more options also. You can export this file as a JPEG, and JPG also means image file. So you can see how many options are available. See, now to go back, just you close here, it will go to directly Office Suite. Okay, I don't want to save, just I want to show you. Okay, you can see here. Now I'll go for a spreadsheet. Spreadsheet is nothing but a Excel. Okay, you can see. Okay, I'll go back and I'll go for a presentation. Okay, now it's asking a template which you want to use for your presentations. Okay, categories also there, business correspondence. Okay, there are many things are available. We can import also. Just I'll select one. Okay, see the layouts are available here. Okay, many options are available. Okay, you can use all those things. You can export, import, everything you can do. You can export script parts, everything. Customize script parts you can download from the internet. You can import all those things. You can insert pictures. You can see here audio, videos, charts, table. It is having all the options which Microsoft supports. Okay, here also you can export the files. You can see you can export the file as a PDF, or you want to export in a picture also, you can export it. I'll go back, and here drawing, we can draw the many things here. Shapes we can draw. Okay, so here some different shapes are there. Okay, flow charts. Okay, color stars, 3D effects. Okay, you can see wonderfully you can design it. See, you can change colors, everything. Okay, and next is math formula. Sorry. So now I use this simple 2 plus 2 plus. Okay, this is how we can use math formulas. There are many formulas available. In coming sessions I will show you individual lab in detail. Just for introduction I am showing you all these things. Next is database. To create a database, you can see here. Okay, you can open existing database, or you can connect to existing database. Okay, this is our database, and these are the templates. You can write the templates, calc templates, impress templates, draw templates. Okay, if you already saved the file, you can open also from the system. Okay, this is wonderfully designed. All the things are stored in one place. You can use it easily, and compared to Microsoft Office, it is very creative and interesting. and most important thing, it is a open source and it is totally free license. It is totally free license. Okay. In coming classes, I'll show you how to use this writer, calc, impression, presentation, and drawing.